Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add WooCommerce orders to Stackby automatically. So the idea here is that you are running an e-commerce website. Now you want that whenever the order is placed on your e-commerce website, automatically the details of the order should be saved to your spreadsheet program. So this will be helpful in keeping the track of your sales, or for the customer follow-ups, even for the feedback purposes, or there can be many other reasons for creating this particular integration. So in this integration, we are using two software applications. The first one is WooCommerce, which is an e-commerce platform where we can sell our products digitally. So in place of WooCommerce, we can even use Shopify, BigCommerce, Gumroad, or any other e-commerce platform. And the second application we are using is Stackby, which is a spreadsheet program with database functionalities. So in place of Stackby, we can also use Google Sheets, Airtable, Grist, or any other spreadsheet program. So how we are going to create an integration? This we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time, that how this complete process works automatically. So this is my WooCommerce store where I have multiple products over here. Okay. And this is my Stackby table. So now I want that whenever the order is placed on my WooCommerce store over here, automatically the details of the order and the customer should be saved into this particular table over here. So I'm just going to make an order over here. Let us select this particular drone. Let's click on add to cart. And here we can see the product as drone, price as 350, quantity 1. Okay, let's scroll down and here let's click on proceed to checkout. Here I have already added the billing details, that is first name as Rahul, last name as Arya, company Magnet Brains, even the street address along with the other details like phone number and the email address. And let's click on place order. Okay, and here we can see that the order has been placed. Thank you, your order has been received. Okay, so now let us check our Stackby account. And here we can find the order details as well as the customer details, order ID, product name as drone, price as 350, customer name as Rahul Arya, his email address, payment method as cash on delivery along with the date. So now here you might be wondering that I just made an order on my WooCommerce store over here and automatically the details of the order as well as the customer is captured in this particular Stackby account. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between WooCommerce and Stackby, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating WooCommerce with Stackby automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the order placed, and using those details of the orders, automatically a new record will be created in your spreadsheet program, that is Stackby. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between WooCommerce and Stackby using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your free account from this sign up free button, and in this account you will get 100 tasks free every month. Okay. So as I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as WooCommerce to Stackby Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the order details to be captured from WooCommerce. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find WooCommerce. Here in the trigger event, we have to select order updated. So I'm just going to find the same, that is order updated. So we are not selecting order created just because if we select order created, then the status of the order will be shown as pending. Okay. And when we select order updated in this particular trigger event, then the status of the order will be showing as process over here. It is under processing. So that is the reason we are selecting order updated over here. Okay. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So let us read the instructions. Navigate to the left sidebar of the WooCommerce, then go to the settings, go to the advanced tab, webhooks, click on add webhooks button. The webhook data box appears. Then we have to fill up the details. Okay, so let's go to the WordPress account. And here I am just coming to the WooCommerce section. Here we can find the settings option. So click on settings, the settings of the WooCommerce. And here we can find the advanced option. Click on advanced. And here we can find the webhooks option in the page setup. So simply click on webhooks. Now here you can see that I have created several webhooks over here. So in the same way we are just going to create a new webhook. So click on add webhook option. Here we have to give a name to the webhook. So let us give it as Stackby integration. Okay, here we have to select the status as active. Here we have to select the topic. So it will be order updated, the same which we have selected there. So I'm just going to select order updated over here. Now here we have to give the delivery URL. So this will be the webhook URL which we have seen in Pabbly Connect. So we'll go to Pabbly Connect. We will copy this webhook URL from here. We'll come back to the settings of the webhooks. And here we are going to paste the same webhook URL. Okay. Now here we have to select the API version as the same, that is WP REST API integration. Okay. And let's click on save webhook. Okay, and here we can see that the webhook has been saved. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and now here we can see that a webhook ID is captured over here, that is 516. Okay. Now in order to capture the response, we again have to click on this recapture webhook response. Yes, do you wish to recapture the response? Let's click on yes. And here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, first we have to create a test submission, or it means we have to make a test purchase. So let's go to the store. I'll just go to the WooCommerce and from here I'll just visit the store. So this is my store. Here we are going to select this particular core PHP programming book. So I'm just going to add this to the cart. Okay. And let's click on proceed to checkout. So now here I have added the details of the customer, that is the billing details. First name as Shikha, last name as Arya, company name as Magnet Brains, country India. I have given the street address as E4 234 Arera Colony 10 number Market, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I have added the PIN, phone number as well as the email address. Okay, and now let's click on place order. Okay, and here we can see that the order has been placed and the payment method is cash on delivery over here. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now here we can see that the response is received and all the details of the order are captured over here. Okay, I'll just scroll down. Here we can find the first name as Shikha, last name, company name, billing address. Okay, I'll just scroll down. Here we can find the shipping address also. The payment method as cash on delivery. Okay, and all other details related to the order are captured over here. Okay, I'm just finding the product. Okay, and here we can find the product name, that is core PHP programming. So now we want that these other details should be saved to a spreadsheet program, that is Stackby. So come to this action window and here in the choose application, let us find Stackby. In the action event, we have to select create a row, click on connect, click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So log into your Stackby account. After login, click on your profile, account, then scroll down to the API key. Okay, so I'll just take you to my Stackby account. So this is my Stackby account. Okay, here we have to come to this account section. I'm just going to click on this icon. Here we have to come to accounts. Okay, and when we scroll down, here we can find the API key. So if you want to regenerate the API key by clicking on this regenerate API key option, a new key can be generated, or else I'm just going to copy this key from here. Okay, we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and we'll be pasting the same API key over here. And let's click on save. Okay, now the Stackby account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the workspace name. So I'll just take you to my Stackby account once again. Here you can see that I have created several workspaces over here. Okay, so I want to access this particular workspace, that is WooCommerce. So we have to select WooCommerce workspace over here. Let us find the same. Okay, so here the WooCommerce workspace is selected. I'll just take you to my Stackby once again, and here we are just going to open this particular order. So in this particular workspace, I have created a stack name order which is automatically captured just because I have created just one stack. And in this stack, we have created just one table, that is new order. So I'll just show you that also. This is the new order table. Okay. Here I have taken the fields, that is order ID, product name, price, customer name, customer email address, payment method and the date. If you want to add some more fields, by clicking on this plus sign add column, some more fields can be added over here as per your requirement. Okay. So we are just going to select the same table name, that is new order, here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So as I have created just one table, the table name is automatically captured. Now here we have to give the order ID, product name, price. So all these details, order details, we have already got from our WooCommerce. So we are just going to map all these details now. Okay. So I'll just scroll down. Here we have to map the order ID. So this is the ID. Here we have to map the product name. So let us find the product name. So the product name is Core PHP Programming. Okay. Here we have to give the price. So let us map the currency first. That is the INR. And then we will be mapping the price. That is 500. Okay. Now here we have to map the customer name. So let us map the customer name. It was Shikha. And let us map the last name also. That was Arya. Okay. Here we have to map the customer email address. So let us find the customer email address over here. That is shikhaarya22@gmail.com. Here we have to map the payment method. So let us find the payment method over here. That is cash on delivery. Okay. And here we have to map the date. So I'm just going to find the date. That is date created. Okay. Let us map it. So we have mapped all the details over here. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay. And here we can see the response is received. So now let us check our Stackby account. And here we can find all the details of the customer and the order is captured over here. Here we can find the order ID, product name, its price, customer name, email address, payment method and the date. And in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the order placed, and using those details automatically a new record or a new row is created into the Stackby account. And in this way we have created a successful integration between WooCommerce and Stackby using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.